I'm Gabi, and I'm so happy you are here with me again today. We are still at the legendary Camp Nou, or should I say the Spotify Camp Nou. If you haven't seen the previous video where we will walk around the stadium and checked out how the construction is progressing, click right up here. I talk about everything in detail. But now let's go inside and see what you can do here at the moment.
Wow, just look at that. It's truly incredible to see how this gigantic stadium is slowly but surely coming back to life. The cranes, the massive structural elements. And even though the renovation is still underway, the club has made sure that fans, tourists, and of course curious visitors like us don't miss out on the experience.
The Camp Nou Museum is still open to visitors. In the past, the ticket included the full stadium tour. You could go into the locker rooms, the press room, and even to the stands. But now, while the construction is ongoing, the museum has been temporarily relocated. The new site is next to the ice rink, and it's called the Barça Immersive Tour. It's completely modern, digital experience, full of interactive screens, huge LED walls, and sound and light installations. Here you can explore the club's history from its beginnings to the present days. See original jerseys, boots, trophies, and memories from legendary matches. And one of my favorite parts, the virtual reality zone, where with a VR headset, you can actually step onto the pitch and experience what it feels to score a goal at the Camp Nou. You can buy your ticket here on site or online through the official website. Always check that first because on other sites the prices are often higher. And here we are at Rambla del Barça. Yes, there's such a thing. It's a small walkway filled with memorable installations and photo spots.
And let me show you this part. There's a free public restroom right here, which is quite a rarity in Barcelona. Unfortunately, there aren't many public toilets in the city. Usually, you will only find them in bars, restaurants, or shopping centers. So I will just leave this little tip here for you. Right next to us is the ice rink. The museum is located just next to it. And look at this Barça bus, which is actually a cafe. Such a fun and creative idea. It's a great spot for both kids and adults to take photos, so don't miss out if you come here. And this here is the restaurant, which is still open at the moment. They serve simple dishes, burger, hot dogs, fries, and of course coffee with the Barça logo on it. It's not a fine dining spot, but it has a great atmosphere and it's just perfect if you want to take a little break after visiting a museum. Look at this, such a cool idea to put the Barça song on the wall.
Now let's go find the viewpoint where you can peek inside the stadium.
So apparently this is where we need to go up. Let's see. Wow, just amazing. Even in this half-finished state, it's absolutely impressive.
How is the construction going? Let me know in the comments. According to the club, the new Camp Nou will be fully completed by 2026. But if all goes well, the team will already return here for a few matches by end of this October. I can't wait to see. Since we are here, we can't skip the spices or either. Come on, let's look around. I will try to show you some prices because I know something you are always curious.
Jersey cost around €100. The kids version is a little bit cheaper, and the accessories like hats, flags, and mugs you can find between €10 to €40. I didn't buy anything this time, just looked around. But honestly, over the years, I spent a small fortune here on gifts for my husband. Our little one already has a Barça jersey too, and his favorite player is the 12th player, Cat, the team's mascot. I saw some super cute new items from the Cat collection this time as well, so I'm pretty sure Santa or the Free Kings will bringing him something from here too. Well, that's all for today's videos. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed this video from the new Camp Nou. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments whether you already been here or if you're waiting until the new stadium is completely finished. See you in the next video. Bye for now.